It's a granular bulb. So basically it shoots out granulars that we use when we use as entice. It's very effective for just about anything that crawls, honestly. It covers ants, crickets, to the big smoky brown roaches, just about anything that really crawls, millipedes, centipedes, so forth and so on. We use this on every house. It comes with all our standard services. We're going to put this around the whole exterior of the foundation. So it's an attractant. It tastes good to them, and they eat it and they share it with, you know, other insects as well. It's a very effective tool, and it lasts even through rain and stuff like that.